Hello everyone and welcome to Creating with Miss Kaye. Tonight I will be participating in the Quick and Easy Meals collaboration. This collab is hosted by The Grace Life DIY, Deborah Cabasia, Home Living, and Jean Home Decor and more. Tonight I have decided to do Kaye's Cajun Turkey. This is a Cajun turkey that I do every year. It's fast, it's easy, but most of all, it is delicious. Here are the ingredients: 5 tablespoons of kosher salt, 2 tablespoons of cayenne pepper, 2 tablespoons of garlic powder, 2 tablespoons of sweet paprika, 1 tablespoon of dried oregano, 1 tablespoon of dried thyme, 1 tablespoon of black pepper, and 1 tablespoon of garlic powder. This is what it looks like when it's all combined together. This is beautiful. I just buy any turkey. It doesn't have to be a big name brand turkey. I wash it off, of course. After I wash it off, I pat it dry, rub a little oil on it, and then I sprinkle the inside and outside with salt and pepper. So once the salt and pepper is on, then I go ahead and I start to cover it with this delicious Cajun seasoning. If you're sensitive to smells, you will definitely have to sneeze a little bit with it, but this is what the turkey looks like when it's covered front and back and the inside. So once I cover the turkey in the seasonings, I wrap it in saran wrap. Once covered in saran wrap, I place it in the refrigerator and I let it sit overnight. As you see, it's 5:30 p.m. and I will get up in the morning about 5:30 and put it into the oven. So here is the turkey. It's ready to go in the oven. I know 12 hours may not seem quick and easy, but trust me, this is easy, and we all need a good, juicy, well-seasoned turkey recipe for Thanksgiving. So I cook it at 375 degrees. As you see, there's nothing in the bottom of the pan, but there are onions inside of the turkey. Look at how beautiful golden brown this bird is. And this is just the top of the bird. So what I do, I flip it very carefully and I let the other side cook for 1 hour and 15 minutes. The bird is going to be crispy. So this is what the other side looks like, and this is the final result of this turkey. You can tell how crispy the skin is. This is delicious. I get rave reviews. So if you're wondering why I'm cooking a turkey, I actually had an order for a friend to do a turkey for them. Once your turkey comes out the oven, I'll cover it with foil to let it rest for at least 10 minutes, and then it's ready to serve. Your family and friends will love it. If you try it, please let me know. Happy cooking and happy eating to you. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, and share, and make sure you watch everyone's video on the playlist. Bye for now, and I'll see you in the next video.